evening, everyone. I'm so privileged and happy to launch this Virtual Autopsy Training program in India.
I'm thankful to the NFSU for providing us the platform.
So it was a real pleasure for me to be here in India. It was my first time here, and I really want to thank the NFSU and the organizer of this symposium and this training.
I'm happy to be here in this university for the first of its kind training in forensic radiology and postmortem imaging. And
this was one of the excellent training. This training has succeeded in its objective.
This entire 5 days of training was very good, and it was very precise. We are very happy as much as a student or training is concerned, as much as this specific training program is concerned.
And in this training, we learn basically we learn the concept of this virtual autopsy. And
the training on virtual autopsy for 5 days here in NFSU was an excellent eye-opener for all of us regarding the basic concept of virtual autopsy. And
we attended 5 days training on virtual autopsy, and it's a very excellent training program as far as the training is concerned, and also first of its kind in the country.
Expertise who were brought in by Virtual Autopsy UK, that is Dr. Yanko, Dr. Fabrice and Dr. Hemant, so who have immense experience in their field. Often the virtual autopsy training program is very good. Basically, the role of radiological application towards forensic department for analyzing the cases is very nice.
I'm excited to be here where the virtual autopsy training has been conducted at the first time in India level.
Being a collaborative branch between forensics and radiodiagnosis, it is also very important for the radiologist as well to know how to interpret the postmortem changes.
As such, I find it mandatory, and I would suggest it be taken by all forensic pathologists. Thank you.
The lectures they gave were really nice, and most of the terms I heard for the first time here. That's why I recommend everyone to come here, and it was an excellent presentation here, and I like the atmosphere.
The 5-day training program, I would like to say that it was very well conducted. The speakers, the delegates, they are all very good. The visits that were organized for us were amazing.
It was an excellent initiative from Virtual Autopsy India in collaboration with NFSU. It was excellent in terms of its preparation and the materials that were given to it.
I am very elated to be a part of the 5 days training program on virtual autopsy.
It is an eye-opening session, and along with it really gives a better knowledge on whatever we have learned and read about it in the books.
Attending this 5-day virtual autopsy was an eye-opener.
It was a very great opportunity for us to learn something new, and we are privileged to be the first batch of learning.
Very well organized, and it was very interesting to understand various perspectives from radiologists, from forensic pathologists, and from our speakers for the 5-day session.
Virtual autopsy seems to be the non-invasive, and it's a new horizon emerging trending field in medicine, as it speeds up the process and decision-making process, since imaging can be performed in no time. And I hope the virtual autopsy would be soon implemented in India in various parts. Thank you.